Imagine you are having a perfect, a very inspiring weekend. Like Saturday hai, Sunday hai, you are reading a really good book and you feel really inspired. You are watching a lot of videos about someone that you want to be, like your mentor or someone that you have always aspired to be, और आप बहुत ही pumped up हो, बहुत inspirational feel कर रहे हो, motivational feel कर रहे हो कि अब मंडे से नेक्स्ट वीक से मैं अपनी लाइफ को पूरी तरह चेंज कर दूंगा या कर दूंगी, एंड यू फीलिंग रियली गुड अबाउट इट. बट मंडे मॉर्निंग कम्स, life happens. Like you missed your alarm, you've got kids at home to take care of, you've got your home responsibilities, office भी जाना है, office के लिए late हो रहे हैं, and like you've got so many emails in your inbox, and you know you've got so much stuff to do, and then your boss is chasing you for something. Maybe you've had some tiff with your partner in the morning, like in general कुछ भी हो सकता है morning routine में, things which you did not anticipate. So वो जो आपने इतना inspiration gather किया था weekend पे, that's like poof, it's gone, and now you're sitting there on Monday, you're feeling like what was that? Like मैंने तो इतना कुछ read किया था, मैंने इतना कुछ सोचा था, nothing is happening, and now you're sitting there and feeling all of this is just meant for the books. This doesn't actually work. So I am here today to challenge that particular belief that people who feel that these things work in books and don't work in real life. I'm here to challenge that because I am on the other side, wherein I've implemented all of those methodologies while lifing, while dealing with all the other things. So if you're interested to know more about it, keep watching. So I'm sure you've heard this a lot of times, like अगर आपको जैसे सपोज बॉडी बनानी है, आपको अपनी मसल्स बनानी है, यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज, यू कैन फॉलो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, यू कैन रीड अबाउट इट, बट विल डूइंग दैट, will you build your muscle just by doing it, or you will have to go to a gym? Or if I take another analogy, आपको suppose swimming सीखनी है and you've learned all different strokes and techniques, आप किसी को follow कर रहे हो who's doing it so well and they have got a step by step tutorial YouTube पे and now you're following it, क्या आपको उससे swimming आ जाएगी? No, right? You'll have to get into the water, apply those techniques and see what's working for you, what's not working for you to learn swimming. राइट? सेम चीज पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट स्पेस में भी काम करती है. जिस चीज को लेके आप इतना इंस्पायर्ड थे वीकेंड में, जो आपने पढ़ा था, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने 5 AM क्लब बुक बाय रॉबिन शर्मा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू रेड दैट एंड यूर थिंकिंग कि मंडे से मैं 5 AM सुबह उठूंगा एंड दिस व्हाट आई विल डू, बट देन यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट. डू यू थिंक योर लाइफ विल चेंज? नो. Right? Now I'm going to share few personal anecdotes with you because I think personal examples से लोग ज़्यादा relate कर जाते हैं. 2 incidents I'm going to share. One, there was like few years back, there was a time when I got fired from my job. That's not an easy thing to take, right? So at this point, there are 2 choices that I had. Now every moment there are 2 choices that everybody has. या तो keep being sad about the fact कि जो हो गया and go back to that and keep thinking about it, or pause that moment, reflect and think about what's going to happen in future. Now obviously I'm sitting here recording this video talking about personal development, have my own podcast, etc. I have chosen the second path, wherein when that incident happened, I reflected back on my life. I reflected कि क्यों हुआ है ऐसा. Obviously like the first was like I started crying, like tears were rolling down my eyes. वो natural reaction होता है. Like even जो मैंने Monday morning की analogy दी, like naturally हमारी body certain way में react करती है. I'm not denying कि आप suddenly बिल्कुल ही calm हो जाओगे and all that. वैसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Naturally जैसा आप react करते हो वो सब चीजें होंगी. But what's important is that in these times, like on a Monday morning when you feel your morning is chaotic, take little break, take 5 minutes, 10 minutes of time to reflect and see what happened, why it happened. ज़्यादा why it happened में ज़्यादा नहीं जाना है, but think about now what. If it's happened, now what do I need to do? Don't dwell so much on the past, but go towards the future. That's what I did and that's what is going to work for everybody who's struggling to maybe manage time, who's struggling to work on themselves. Monday morning की analogy में मंडे में पूरे दिन में, अगर चलो मंडे हो गया, यू डिडंट नो व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग, एट नाइट बिफोर स्लीपिंग, एंड ऑफ द डे मंडे, रिफ्लेक्ट की मैंने वीकेंड पे ये सोचा था, इन रियलिटी ये हो गया, अब मैं कल से ऐसा क्या करूं या क्या करूंगी जिससे सेम थिंग विल नॉट हैपन. सो दैट इज वेयर द चेंज लाइज. मंडे रात को बैठ के ये रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करना है कि whatever I read that's all, like I'm not, मेरे से कभी होगा ही नहीं. If you keep that mindset, your life will never change, और फिर आप उसी लूप में रहोगे. ये सिर्फ एक एग्जाम्पल है मंडे की, बट इन लाइफ इन जनरल फिर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर पाओगे इफ यू आर स्टक इन दैट मेंटालिटी, और आपने अपने माइंड में वो बिलीफ बना लिया है कि मेरे से कुछ नहीं होगा. सो that is one example that I want to share with you, that at any point of time we all have got a choice to choose one thing over the other. So what you choose is what makes your life. We've heard that like we as an individual, मुझे exact phrase याद नहीं है, but we are made up of our choices. हमारी life में हम जो भी choice करते हैं, that's what we become as an individual. अब आप अगर choose करते हो lethargy को, laziness को, procrastination को, तो आपकी लाइफ पूरी उम्र ऐसे ही रहेगी. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, अगर आप लोग चूज करते हो टू वेक अप एवरी डे, मैं 5 AM वेकअप करने को नहीं बोल रही हूँ, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल, टू वेक अप एवरी डे, डू द थिंग्स दैट स्केयर यू एंड सी द चेंज दैट्स हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ. Okay, now that was one example. Second example I'm going to give, that was also, I'm just giving you like two profound examples. एक career से related हो गया. Second, it's about like relationships or in general like my personal life. So I come from a little chaotic childhood. So my parents have always stayed separate and थोड़ा dynamic वहाँ different है. It's like traumatic, very negative and all of that. Now when I was 35 years old, मैंने मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस के बारे में बहुत बात करती हूँ मैं, but there was a point in my time wherein I reflected back. Now at that point I had two choices. One choice was to continue holding on to my past, कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मेरे लिए ये नहीं किया, मेरे सिबलिंग्स ने ये नहीं किया, मैं नहीं किसी के लिए कुछ कर पाई, लाइक माई चाइल्डहुड वॉज अ मेस, जिसकी वजह से मेरा आज एटीट्यूड ऐसा हो गया है, लाइक दिस वॉज मेंट टू बी. और second thing what I chose was, I know what I need to heal. I know the attitude that I need to change because I have seen that in my parents and I don't want to be that person. I have seen the experiences in my life that I don't want to replicate. I don't want my children to have the same experiences. So at that point of time I had two choices, to continue dwelling on the past and taking that with me in my future, or change, flip the script, identify what needs changing and change it, work towards changing it. So that's when I got into learning about healing, because there was a time in my life wherein I definitely felt the way I behaved at home, in my home environment, was very much similar to my own home environment when I was growing up, and I didn't want that for my children. That's when I decided that I am going to come out of this stronger. I'm going to change myself for my children. So this is a very big example of not following what you're meant to follow, but changing and flipping the script and changing your life for yourself and for the people you love. I'm sure we don't love anyone more than our children, like we all can agree to that. So getting up and changing the flip is all flipping the script is all that it takes. So I hope this has really helped someone out there who is always looking out for inspiration but never gets it because they never do the work, right? So with that I'm going to wrap up the video. Next week again I'm going to come up with another challenge. I'm just taking up this challenge on myself to address the commonly asked questions that people have in their mind when it comes to spirituality and personal development. I hope this has really helped. Do let me know via comments on what your experience has been. What's really stopping you to take that action? Which side are you on? Have you had an experience of wherein you've had to make choice between one or the other? Do let me know via comments. I would love to hear it from you. All right. See you all next week. Bye-bye.